How you doing, everybody? This is Taz. Now, this isn't no Food Network. This is just Taz, as Tazzz Cooks. I'm going to make me and show you some potato salad that I made myself. Feel free to share any recipes that you want on my channel. If you go to my poster communities tab, you now have the power to put your own videos in there. Let us see what you can do. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so some ingredients that I use. You see I have the Duke's mayo, some dill relish, some French honey mustard, some wishbone Italian cheese dressing, some Italian seasoning, some smoked paprika. You gotta have the smoked paprika, otherwise it won't work. Some boiled eggs, because I'm lazy. I don't like boiling my damn self, so I already buy them already boiled. That's what you should do. And of course, can't have potato salad without the potatoes. I personally am not a fan of peeling potatoes my damn self, but sometimes you have to just put in the grunt work. I only use golden potatoes because for me, I don't like potato salad with like the russets or some of the other ones. The golden ones have like an extra creaminess to them and some better taste, I feel, for potato salad. What's your favorite potatoes to use? Tell me down in the comments, all right? Now, this is a Spanish onion. I love Spanish onions, but honestly, I can't tell the damn difference between a Spanish onion, a French onion, whatever onion. I do like red onions too, but they're stronger. So if you don't want a strong onion type of flavor and taste in your mouth, Spanish onions are good. Some people just like a taste of onions in their potato salad. I like to know that there's damn onions in my potato salad, so I use a lot of onions. How about you? Tell me down in the comments, all right? Yeah. I don't know about you, but I will not have potato salad without some type of eggs in it. So these are the deviled eggs. I already buy them peeled and boiled because I don't have time to try to crack those damn things myself because there's always a problem and then I get frustrated. You know you do too, don't lie. If you're already an egg lover like me, I use like 4, 5, sometimes 6 eggs. You know, that depends on your preference. But I like my potato salad to be more of an egg salad, potato salad type of vibe. You understand? Tell me if you agree down in the comments or how many you use. If you use 0, get off my damn channel. All right, so all the chopping is done. So now adding the eggs. I already added the onions. Time to add that dill relish. Put as much relish as you want. It depends on how much you love it or not. I always put a little taste, It's up to you, damn it. And now the honey mustard. I feel honey mustard gives you that extra little pizzazz rather than regular mustard. So again, squeeze as much as you want. Squeeze it to your heart's content and then taste as you go. Next, I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. I like the Italian seasoning. I think it has to go with potato salad. So again, add as much as you want. The key is tasting as you go, people. I can't stress it enough, damn it. Now comes the smoked paprika. Something different about that flavor than regular paprika. So again, put as much as you want and test it, all right? And now the King Duke's Real Mayonnaise. You can't have potato salad without mayonnaise. Do not attempt to have potato salad without mayonnaise. Oh my God. Again, this is up to your tolerance. Some people like more mayonnaise. Some people like hardly no damn mayonnaise. I personally don't understand it, how you can hardly have no mayonnaise on it, but that's just me. So make sure you put enough mayonnaise to your liking, all right, damn it? Then you just stir. Make sure you stir good, because you know what I hate? You know, one bite has extra mayonnaise, another bite has extra mustard, another bite has extra paprika. So stir properly. Thank you, damn it. Then you just sprinkle your finishing toppings on top. So I'm putting a little bit more Italian seasoning. Some people put paprika on top. Some people slice an extra egg and put that on top just to add a little bit of color. And there you go. There you have it. So now you've seen how to make Tazz's potato salad. You know, I should charge you for this damn recipe, but out of the kindness of my damn heart, it's yours for free. See that nice Tazz shirt right there? Go buy it. I want y'all to take it easy and keep it breezy.
Goodbye.